A former male employee of JPMorgan Chase has accused a female senior executive of
A former employee joins one of the biggest banks in the world and later files a lawsuit that places a senior executive at JPMorgan Chase in the spotlight, not because of financial fraud, not because of missing money, but because of a workplace dispute involving allegations of misconduct, professional conflict, and claims about a difficult working environment. At the center of the case, Lorna Hajini, a senior executive inside JPMorgan Chase, and on the other side, Shreyu Rana, a former employee who says his experience at the company led him to take legal action. She denies the allegations. JPMorgan says an internal review found no evidence supporting the claims, but the case quickly drew public attention online. So what happened? And why did this legal dispute become such a widely discussed story? After joining JPMorgan Chase's leveraged finance division in 2024, Shreyu Rana believed he had landed the kind of job people spend years chasing: high pressure, high stakes, and the kind of career path that could change everything. Working in one of Wall Street's most competitive teams meant long hours, intense expectations, and powerful people controlling your future. One of those people, according to his lawsuit, was Lorna Hajini, a senior executive director with years of influence inside the firm. According to Rana, what began as a professional relationship slowly turned into something far more disturbing. In court filings, he alleged that Hajini began making personal comments, crossing professional boundaries, and using her position to create pressure he says he couldn't easily escape. He claimed she repeatedly crossed professional boundaries and made unwanted personal advances, and tied parts of his career progression to her personal demands. A workplace where reporting the issue felt more dangerous than staying quiet. Eventually, he filed an internal complaint, but according to JPMorgan, their investigation found no evidence supporting his claims. The company later stated that multiple employees cooperated with the review, while Rana did not fully participate in key parts of the investigation. That changed everything, because now the case wasn't just allegation versus denial. It became allegation versus denial, with one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world publicly backing its executive. And then came another twist. Reports suggested Hajini may not have had direct control over Rana's compensation or promotion path, which raised serious questions about how much workplace power she actually had over him. If she wasn't his direct superior, could the pressure he described have worked the way he claimed? That question split public opinion instantly. Some believed the lawsuit exposed something much darker inside elite finance. Others believed the story had too many contradictions from the beginning. And once the internet took over, the case stopped being just a lawsuit. It became a public trial, before any courtroom could decide the truth.